If you're using Shrinkwrap to project high detail on a subdivided low detail mesh, as explained in my video about reconstructing lower subdiv levels, you may run into problems like these. First, make sure both negative and positive are checked. Try to increase the limit value to reduce the issue. You can also exclude parts of the mesh from the modifier by creating a vertex group and adding it to the modifier. Click this button to invert the vertex group influence. Then in weight paint mode, paint where you want to exclude parts of the model. The problem is often caused by bad topology of the base mesh. A better remesh can produce much better results, though for this you often need other software, like the free instant meshes or the paid DIN remesh add-on. Finally, you can also apply the Shrinkwrap modifier and simply fix the issues with sculpting.